Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about cooking and love a tidy kitchen, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with our countdown of the top 5 kitchen dish dining racks. Whether you're looking to maximize your space, keep your dishes easily accessible, or add a touch of style to your kitchen, these racks have got you covered. From sleek designs to practical features, we'll explore options that fit every kitchen aesthetic and budget, so stick around as we reveal the must-have racks that will transform your dining experience and elevate your kitchen organization. Let's get started.
The SNSLX-H2 tier over the sink dish. Drying rack is the ultimate space saver for your kitchen. Its durable stainless steel design offers efficient drying with 2 tiers to hold dishes, utensils, and even cutting boards. The over-the-sink placement keeps your countertops clutter-free and dry, perfect for maximizing kitchen organization while adding a modern touch.
The ADBIU over-the-sink dish drying rack offers ultimate convenience with its expandable height and length, fitting perfectly over any sink. Its sturdy stainless steel frame holds dishes, utensils, and more while keeping your counters dry. With a space-saving design and easy installation, it's a must-have for organized, efficient kitchens.
The Pata extendable dish drying racks is perfect for any kitchen counter, offering customizable space to fit your needs. Its expandable design accommodates a variety of dishes from plates to pans, while the built-in drainage system prevents water buildup. Durable and sleek, this rack combines convenience with a modern look for an organized kitchen.
The over-sink dish drying rack offers ultimate versatility with its expandable height and length, 24, 35.5. Its snap-on design makes assembly a breeze, and the large dish drainer accommodates dishes, utensils, and more. With its space-saving design and durable build, it's the perfect counter organizer for any kitchen.
The over-the-sink dish drying rack is the ultimate kitchen organizer. Its 3-tier adjustable design in 25.5 to 37.4 fits any sink, offering ample space for dishes, utensils, and more. Made from full stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and built to last. Keep your kitchen clutter-free while saving counter space with this large, stylish storage solution.